Stakeholders were drawn from various security agencies, traditional and community leaders, vigilante groups, amongst other well-meaning participants. They will brainstorm on the threat to national security, the security architecture of the zone, amongst other ways of finding sustainable peace in the northeast and the country. Addressing the gathering, Governor Ibrahim Gaidam appeals to the federal government through the Office of the Special Advisor to intensify the mopping up of the remnant of Boko Haram terrorists.
A workshop of this nature will enable the participants to exchange ideas and arrive at palliative solutions on security issues unique to our zone and take appropriate steps to address the threat to life and property. It will equally avail us the opportunity of realizing the need for us all to work together collectively towards eliminating the menace of the men of the underworld and miscreants.
The National Security Advisor, whose address was read by the head of the Counter-Terrorism Office, Al-Hassan Husseini, praises the Yobe State government in the rebuilding process and calls for effective collaboration between security forces and the civil populace in fighting insecurity.
We must all realize that to defeat the terrorists or manage acts of terrorism in the country must be steps ahead of the terrorists. To be steps ahead of the terrorists, all government of national power and authority must be activated and channeled adequately. The ONSA expects very good cooperation and contribution from all MDS, civil society organizations, non-governmental organizations, and so on.
The Secretary to the Yobe State government says the workshop is timely and will address key issues in the fight against terrorism and work out ways in the rebuilding of the war-devastated areas.
The capacity to ensure survival remains the most important political occupation of all human beings, since it is certainly not possible to engage in any activity unless the safety of life is assured.
Participants were drawn from all of the 6 states that made up the northeast geopolitical zone of the country.
For being here in person. We also wish to thank you